one last problem to do. Problem number 4 says x plus 12 all raised to the 1/2 power minus x is equal to 0. Well, right now I don't have the thing with the exponent on it isolated. I need to move this minus x to the other side by adding x to both sides. So let's do that first. And that will leave me with x plus 12 to the 1/2 power is equal to x. And now I'm ready to do this one exactly like I did the last problem. Why don't you try this one on your own and then come back here and see how you did. All right, the very first thing that you should have done after we isolated was to go ahead and multiply by the reciprocal exponent. Reciprocal of 1/2 is a 2. Those will cancel, leaving me with just x plus 12 on the left and an x squared on the right. Now I want to move everything to one side to get a 0 on the left and everything on the right. So subtracting x and subtracting 12 from both sides, I'm left with x squared minus x minus 12 is equal to 0. Now I can take this negative 12 times 1 and place it here, and the negative 1, the b value right here, and I'm looking for factors of negative 12 that add to negative 1. I, just like the last problem, need it to be a negative bigger number, so I'll put the negative on the right, smaller positive number on the left, and I'm going to find that 3 and negative 4 are the factors that I need. So I'll write these in my X puzzle to solve the X puzzle. And now I'm ready to do the box. My box will get filled in with that negative 4x and 3x diagonal across from each other. The first box is my first term, x squared. The last box is my last term, negative 12. I'll find that x and negative 4 are my factors when I go across each row. X and 3 are my factors when I go down each column. So I know that x minus 4 and x plus 3 are my factors. And now I just need to solve each of these small algebra equations. X minus 4 is equal to 0. X plus 3 is equal to 0. Solving, I get x equals 4 or x equals negative 3. But wait, we have to check these. And as you can see, one of these is going to be extraneous. I plug a 4 back in to the very original equation, or actually I plugged it into the equation after I moved to the other side, and that's fine too. 4 plus 12 to the 1/2 power is equal to 4. 16 to the 1/2 is equal to 4. You can either put this into your calculator or know that a 1/2 is the same as a square root. Square root of 16 is 4, and 4 equals 4. So x plus 4 can be boxed as an answer. However, when we plug in a negative 3 for x here and here, we're going to get 9 to the 1/2 power. Well, the square root of 9 is 3, and that is not equal to negative 3. So this is an extraneous answer, and we should mark it out and note it as that.